I'm gonna show you how to make a crispy chicken burger. Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back from the video, and this time I'm making crispy chicken burger. I'm gonna serve the chicken burger with spicy sauce, slaw, fries, and you need to watch till the end of the video for a surprise. Trust me, you're all gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're going to serve our chicken burger with some of this spicy sauce. Grab yourself a blender with the mild red chilies. Make sure to remove the seeds. 2 garlic cloves with a zest of fresh lemon and some of the lemon juice. You could also add a bit of vinegar into that. For the spices, I'm using a chicken seasoning, a light pinch of MSG. Add a bit more flavor using smoked paprika, white and black pepper. Salt to taste, some of these coriander seeds for a bit more aroma and taste, any of your favorite hot sauce, something like Tabasco, and finally in with our chicken stock. Now cover and blend this until it's nice and smooth. Now let this simmer for around 10 minutes on low heat. Once done, have a little taste and adjust anything if you need to. Now slowly mix in the corn flour that has been mixed with some water, and this is the consistency that you're looking for. Cook for additional 2 minutes or so and then turn off the heat. Our mouth-watering spicy sauce done. For the chicken, I'm using here a large breast and a thigh. The breast has already been sliced in the middle and it has been pounded down to even out the shape. And a good touch of the spicy sauce that we made. Good pinch of salt, black pepper. A really good mix to that. Cover and leave this to marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Here I got some of the mayonnaise. I'm gonna mix in the spicy sauce. Give that a really good mix and a quick sauce for our burger buns is ready. For the dredging with the plain flour, chicken seasoning, red chili, fresh black pepper, white pepper as well. Finally, I've got here some mixed herbs and salt. Remember, we're using spicy sauce as well, so keep things under control here. A really good mix to that and set aside. Just before we start coating the chicken, turn up the heat to around medium. Here with the oil, you can use sunflower vegetable oil, any oil that has a high smoking point. You want to bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius. Grab your chicken and the flour, and here we've got some cold tap water. We're gonna grab our fillets, and this goes straight into the flour. Coat this properly. If you guys want, we can do a double coat of the chicken today, into the water. Leave it there for around 10-12 seconds. Let the flour get wet. So carefully take this out, and this goes back into the flour. Now using your dry hand, give this a good mix. And now, like I said, if you guys want, you can do a second coat. Shake off the excess flour back into the water. Again, leave it there for around 12 seconds or so. I'm just gonna remove that. And this goes back into the flour. Again, a good coat of the flour. Oh my god, I'm feeling sleepy or what? Again, a really good mix to that. Look at the movement that I'm doing here. Really press onto the flour. Just shake off the excess. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Now this goes straight into the hot oil. Slowly lower into the hot oil. Keep it there for a few seconds. You can fry 2 or 3 at a time depending on the size of your pan. Let it go. We're going to let this cook for around 7 to 8 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. So the chicken is ready now. It looks amazing. Now just drain off the excess oil and remove it on a rack. Alright, so our crispy chicken fillets are done and they look amazing. Keep these in a warm place and let's make our fries. For the fries, you want to julienne them and then wash and drain them completely. Oil is nice and hot, and with your fries, we're gonna fry them twice. First at a low temperature, and then we're gonna increase the temperature, then fry them a second time. Now let's remove them and then we're gonna fry them twice, alright? And now fry a second time at a high temperature. Let the fries cook until they are nice and crispy and golden brown. Make sure to move them around so they are brown from all sides, alright? Season with a good touch of salt. And some of this Cajun seasoning. Let's have a little taste. Our amazing crispy fries done. For the coleslaw, thinly slice the cabbage using your knife or mandolin. You could also use a bit of the red cabbage. Now if you want to store the coleslaw for a couple of days in the fridge, then you should apply some salt and remove the excess moisture from this cabbage. Leave it aside for an hour or so. Here I've got some of the carrots. And finally I'm using some of the red onion. Now we want to cut the sharpness of these onions a bit. Remove them in cold water, add a good touch of salt, good mix to that, and leave it aside for 15 minutes. So I washed all the vegetables and excess water has been removed. They are nice and dry. And with the mayonnaise, if you like it more creamy, then you can throw in some of the double cream. And for the seasoning, I'm using some of the white pepper, parsley, garlic, red pepper flakes, brown sugar, some of the salt, light touch of black pepper as well. And finally I like a bit of the vinegar in there or lemon juice. A really good mix to that and have a little taste. A quick slaw for our chicken burgers. Done. Alright guys, let's assemble our chicken burger or chicken sandwich. And some of our spicy mayonnaise. Lettuce. Dip the fillet in some of the spicy sauce. And that goes on to the bun. Oh, it looks so delicious, trust me. Add a slice of the cheese on the top if you like. And finally top off the bun with more sauce. Serving the chicken burger with our crispy fries. And of course some of the coleslaw if you like. Our mouth-watering crispy chicken burger. Done. Blueberry mocktail with some of the mint, lemon and lime. Here with the blueberries, light brown sugar, few mint leaves, and we're gonna muddle all this. Exactly what we're looking for. Fresh juice of lemon and lime. Here with the ice. Here with the blue curacao syrup. And finally of course some of the soda water. Give that a little shake. And now you can garnish it with some of the fresh mint. That looks so refreshing, trust me. Our mouth-watering blueberry mocktail. Done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks absolutely delicious. Let's start with the fries, of course. Bismillah. So nice and crispy. That's exactly how I like it.
Fatality.
Try some of the coleslaw now. Has an amazing flavor. It's nice and crunchy. Alright, I want to show a chicken burger now. Look at that. Bismillah. Wow.
Flawless victory.
Honestly, one of the best chicken burger that you guys gonna try. The cheese, the sauce, it's perfectly cooked. Let's take another bite. Wow, so delicious. The flavors are just perfect on this. Has a light kick to it, you know. Beautiful. Alright, let's try our drink now. Looks amazing. Let's try it. Bismillah.
Brutality.
Wow. The amazing flavor of blueberry, the blue curacao. Oh my god, this is just so good. Fresh lemon and lime along with a muddled mint. It is so good. You definitely need to try this. I really hope you guys will enjoy this with your family and friends. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mum. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.